Hi viewers, today we will discuss about how to prepare soil for planting vegetables. Healthy plants are a reflection of the quality of its soil. Good composition of soil will reflect in your happy garden. I welcome you in my YouTube channel Gardening Aim. Before beginning of planting you should know about soil type. Understanding the chemistry and composition of your soil and creating the perfect environment for fertile plant growth. Good soil management is a continuous process, but once you attain the basics, your soil will do most of the work itself. Check soil thoroughly. Is it dense and heavy and clumped together when wet? Or is it loose and free-flowing, like clay sand? All soils are a mixture of mineral particles, primarily clay sand and silt. Often they will contain higher amounts of one type of particle relative to the others. That doesn't make them bad growing mediums, but it will affect their density, drainage rate, and capacity to hold nutrients. This soil which I have is clay soil. It have tiny, dense particles that hold large reserves of moisture and nutrients. However, this soil also drains slowly and can become hard and compacted when dry. In some areas there is sandy soils like this. It is just the opposite, with large particles that water moves through easily along with important nutrients. If we want that our plants grow well, so we required an ideal soil for plants, which contains a balance of all mineral particles and nutrients. Adding organic matter is the best way to make your soil healthier and improve its structure. Organic compost may be composted yard waste, manure, and fallen leaves. Organic compost provides a rich supply of slow-release nutrients for your plants. I have manure, you can say cattle's waste, and it is best organic fertilizer for plants. Now we mix all items. 50% garden soil, 25% sand, and 25% compost. This ratio can be different as per quality of soil available in your area. Mix all item thoroughly. Now we will shift the soil in pot. Before adding soil in pot, confirm about its drainage hole. It is very necessary, otherwise roots growing in waterlogged soil may die because they cannot absorb the oxygen needed to function normally. The longer the air is cut off, the greater the root damage. Now fill the pot with soil gently. It is ready for plantation.